right now, trust me. Hey, me like the show, me I will have vibe, me I will have energy. Hey, so we're moving on to another contestant right now. This artist go by the name of Major Jackson. As what I say, he better come with the better song. Alright, so Major Jackson, make your way to center stage. We're just having fun, you know what I mean, right here while vibing. Big up every artist. What you mean, Major Jackson, what you coming with this week?
Well, me I come with a lovers rocking up the ladies. See? I may I tell you see, if there wasn't intimacy, none of I and I would have been on the earth, yeah? So, hear me now. I love you so much, baby. Yes, you told me that you love me, pretty baby. And you say that you're coming this way again. Just to let you know I want you to be my friend. Yes, I will stick with you from beginning to the end. Lady, I love your zesty ways, the zesty things you do. One we're holding on to. You're one in a million. Oh, I love the way you make me feel. Precious moment of love inside of me instill. Cause you told me that you love me, pretty baby. And you say that you're coming this way again. Just to let you know I want you to be my friend. Yes, I will stick with you from beginning to the end. Lady, loving you with meaning throughout all season.
Alright, Major Jackson, may I tell you, hey, not to beat you feel like you get to it? You better go write one other song. Big up yourself, Major Jackson, right now. Move on to the first judge right now, Counselor Courtney.
Major, the song that was major one, you know. It's a major note as well, and it was well sorted out. You can see it's a song we wrote before and you don't perform already. So
yes,
to feel it and we feel the consistency of the song. You know, I love that. And it reminds me so much of the real authentic Jamaican reggae music, just like Natty before you know, same category. And for some certain reason, I feel it, but I kind of feel the one before you a bit better, so I'm going to give you an 8.
Alright, so you get a number 8 from the man himself. You know it go. Alright, so Lady Tash, what you have to say about me?
You told me that you love me, pretty baby. Woo-hoo.
Lady
this deserves
Tash.
a standing ovation. No.
Alright, Major Jackson, star it off.
Clean.
It's not if you do nothing more.
Pretty baby.
Alright, remember to keep the votes coming in to keep Major Jackson. Remember to give all contestants the support when you see them out there. Make sure the support. Alright, you have a 9 from
reggae
Nero.
music.
You have a 9 from Lady Tash.
One who already I go say no.
Yeah.
Wait, man, somebody too.
Alright, General.
Yeah.
Major Jackson.
Yo, bad. Major Jackson. The original song that Mela, mighty full. As me I deal with, we love the culture and the standard where you see that uphill. We would love to hear them sound there a lot more in a dance hall. As me I deal with. But you don't know the thing go. With them powerful vocal, like I wouldn't hear no glitch, you know. But you could have got hard upon the image. You overs when I deal with a you name Major Jackson, you could have go give them one of general settings with some trees. You know, star, come forward up. You overs when I deal with. You overs so everything, car key forward out and you know, rebellious style and lovers rock situation said with. You see me I deal with some manners and respect, me give you 8 my boss.
Alright, so make sure all score written down right now. Oh, you mean Major Jackson is a good looking, you know what I mean? So big up yourself. Keep the votes coming in. Remember, when you see them, support all contestants. Kisha Las Vegas. Kisha Las Vegas give you a 8. Yeah. Alright, so you don't know. Reach a serious part right now of the show. Remember $25,000 given away today for the highest score. So if you're in this competition and you perform and all the judges put up all numbers, you need to stay here and make sure you be here to receive your $25,000, all courtesy of 100% Talent Show. Alright, so we're moving on to another artist right now. This artist go by the name of Infinity. Infinity, make your way to center stage right now. What am I bring to the table for the talent show right now? Infinity, Wagwan.
Darkness. You look bright. Engineer, go so. 100% music. We're gonna get this song in the street. Engineer, Wagwan.
Smoke it.
Turn it up. We're turn it up. Gotta get this song in the street. Don't it? But we have to link cartel first. You know the thing, go do. I pull up more with there. What you are going now? Eh?
Yo, Chris Rock.
What you are going? In a my life, stress and pain. Them see me a one to be insane. Like I me want money for me brain. Right now me want a money chain. It a forget lift by a crane. In a me pocket when me money them stain. Me go a magnum, it's a me lame. Right now a dog set a lock down the lane. Them never do a bit of fly pan plane. Them never do a bit of pop champagne. Right, I know me and me crew a campaign. Everything a go be the same. Why? Every day me and me friend a be champion. Every day me and me friend a be champion. Every day me and me friend a be champ. Man a real truth, so we true to the game. Every day me and me friend a be champion. Every day me and me friend a be champion. Every me and me another voice. Alright, scope them out of me telescope. Serious when I run no joke.
Well excited, Infinity. Oh, you mean? We come with today, man. We I tell you. Oh, you mean? Lady Tash, what do you think about the artist Infinity?
Mama see the champagne in my pop up. Champagne popping up. Bad. Mama tell you, I like the breath control. You understand me? You sit up on the rhythm like a lizard pan a what? Lame. Go on the road.
You give my number?
The iron 9, right?
9? Alright, Lady Tash give you a 9, you know. Yes. Alright. So Councillor Courtney Edwards,
Infinity.
Judge.
Love the delivery. You have the stage presence. And you pay attention to the artists and everything. And the ear for me with the
Take
song,
down the beat.
the ear of the song was a bit similar to Money for my brain, same way. I kept hearing the same song despite the lyrics, the content, so I wished at some point the words would have been different. So I'd have to bring us back to the same song. You understand me? So that for me was a kind of a challenge in my brain.
Yeah.
Not the money for my brain, but so I'll give you a 7.
Alright, so you get it a 9 and a 7 so far. Kisha, Las Vegas.
Infinity, the first time you came, you give us, ooh, with the dog. And it was fun and comical. And you came now today reminding us why we live, why we put out effort, why we do the things we do, why we made effort for our family, our cousin, our auntie. For no say, it's at the end of the day, it's about the money. It is about the paper. So it no matter anything else in between, the real thing is how the money is going. And I love it.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forget your 9.
Give my number now.
About. So it has to be a 9. Let me search my 9. Where's my 9?
Hey, the man said the money, you know.
Yeah, man, definitely the money. And of course, because Cartel was one of the, he guided us, the money thing going in regards to music. I can, you came paying respect to him, and I appreciate that because I too have money on my brain. 9 for you, Infinity. 9.
All right, so for me agree with what Council say about the lyrical content. You know what I mean? Subconsciously that tell me some money from my brain. So there boy don't know say, you know where you was and win back? Performance. Determination. Brother, all I hate here, man. Never been great. You know what I mean? So all I hate.
Alright, so make sure every judge writing down all scores, please. You know what I mean? So when we're ready to do the maths now, remember $25,000 will be given away today for who get the highest score and the most vote. Same way. I think the score is the vote. Right? The score is the vote. Alright, so big up yourself, Infinity, and welcome, you know what I mean, to the talent show. But like what I go on. Yeah, in a beer vibes in this right now. So we can move on to another artist right now. Hey, this artist go by the name of Drop Skelly. Drop Skelly, how are you there? Yeah. Make your way to center stage right now. 100% talent right now. Hey, me see him come with something last week. Me don't know where I'm at for this week, but he will prove himself this week. Go on, Skelly.
Do it, me a do it. And me a say 100% talent, you know, watch it. And me a say Lisa Las Vegas, big up. And me a say Ara General, Era, big up yourself. Big up me G, see. Do it, me a do it. 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 Do it, me a do it, ever do it, me a do it. Friend a hustling me out there in the street. How you mean? Few ends of a meet. Do it, me a do it. 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 Hustling connect to me like phone and charger. My meditation it's like another. Me play the street like a top baller. Like me like a Shika, Tash and Paula. Do it, me a do it. Do it, me a do it. 100% talent, say what do it. Do it, me a do it. Me like a street plate like a baller. Like when me like a Shika, Tash, Paula. So make me tell you it's like a Ghana. Hey, do it, so me do it. Do it, me a do it. Do it, me a do it. Two ends have to meet. Two ends have to meet. Play it off like our top baller. My meditation it's like a Ghana. Sometime me flip up on the corner. Me say the nigga them I wonder. So me have to do it, do it, do it. Do it.
I mean, that's how we have to do it in the streets. Alright, I mean, me I tell you, at the serious part of the show, this as what we say. 100% talent right now. Everybody have talent right here. So I'm like how the artists them are going so far, you know what I mean? Our General, what you think about Skelly?
Yo, Vaz.
Skelly forward right now, some of us. Yeah.
I always respect the eye sound. You see me, the eye voice bad. You see me, I deal with. First time hear the hype on the competition with a song sound like I win. You see me? Me dey all look for the eye forward and them type of meditation. You see me? But you go and say I do it, yeah, I do it. You see me? A bad song. Hear what to me? The punch of the song better than everything in a song. The verse them to me flat. You see me? I deal. You see the punch. Do it, me I do it, do it. It is a catchy punch. But the verse them feel could and work on. So for me, I would give a 6. You see me I deal with manners and respect my artist.
Alright, so you get a 6 from our General. Let's hear what Nero has to say. Nero, what do you think about Skelly?
I'm disappointed.
Talk true.
I'm going to tell you why I'm disappointed. See this man here, me know what I'm capable of, you know. I just feel like him do what him do today. Because him just want to see what I go on for the rest of the show. To come back again and just whop it back. And give them piece of that. So here we go on. It's because I know him stay, he might get a 5 today. Because I know him can do it. So that voice him have, my lad, don't play that voice. You hear my friend? Don't play it.
All right, thank you for that, Nero. You know what I mean? Kisha Las Vegas. But what you say? 5? All right, Neva give her a 5. All right, Kisha Las Vegas.
I want you to feel the impact when you're not trying your hardest. Because I'm not lie to you. I really am disappointed. When audition you come, I say, what? Whatever I win in the competition? As her general said, so I'm just going to give you a 5. I make you know if I come back and work hard of it. Right? Is that it for all the judges?
Tash, Lady Tash.
I'm disappointed too. Listen, it's a 5 for me. It was this morning I was talking to Mills about you. And I said, I love the youth, you know. I like him vibe, him just different. But you said, because I know you can do it.
5.
Come prepare next time. You understand? Me
All right, so you know, say, counselor. We hear what you have to say now.
My brother, good song, good vocal, but I don't ever forget one of the verse of the song. Because you sang once, twice. You understand? So, with that for me, that's 6. Because I see the potential, you know?
All right, so big up yourself, Skelly. Do it where you do it. Yeah, man, go and go do it. Forward next week, harder. You know what I mean? I don't know him just cruising, him just easy, him just well relaxed today. I don't know. You know what I mean? Next time around, I hope to keep him in the competition still. You know what I mean? All right, so we're moving on to another artist, Little Lantern. Little Lantern. Little Lantern, make your way to center stage right now. You know what I mean? Big up DJ Smokey, round the wheels of steel. And big up yourself, big up all the judges. You know what I mean? Yes, manners and respect to you. Yes, so Little Lantern, make your way to center stage. You better want to look like I'm a man too, you know. What go on, Little Lantern? What you have for it today?
Me there up on the block, you know. I bombing, you know. Well, me have to big up my people, them. All my people, them. Me have to big them up. I bombing, you know. Drop me rhythm there. Engineer. All right, now. A little lantern, you know. Wait there. Wait, let me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, make me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, make me see your phone, you know. Me say if I lime phone, you know. Wait, make me see your high-tech phone. With the vision, with the hammer, with the bright light on it. Let me see your high-tech phone. Will take me picture this morning. Let me see the phone. Will take me picture in the evening. Let me see the phone. Will take me picture in the night. Girl, tell me what your phone name. Alcatel and Apple, what your phone name. Blue and Razor, that are what your phone name. See it now. Me want your phone number. That me want for your 7-digit number. Hope when you give me and me call you. Hope say you answer. If you no answer, you get me cross. Angry and miserable. When me touch pan the road, me nah give no trouble. With the phone in me pocket, nah give no trouble. And the phone in me and it nah give no trouble. And if me lend her a phone, it nah give no trouble. And if me give her a phone, it nah give no trouble. So make me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, make me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Me have phone, just like phone factory. Me have phone, just like phone factory. Me have phone in me 4 pocket. Me say 4 times 4, that's a 16 phone. And go this sell a 4 can tax me for it. A bombing, you know.
We have all kind of phone. Hey, big up yourself, Little Lantern. Kisha, we're going to start with you first, you know.
Lil old me. Lantern, can I say
I know you heard him that.
It's not your rhythm. Okay, I understand what you're saying about that. That's disappointing when you really probably plan for something else. And we're talking about the phone and I'm having fun about the phone. But I think we need to put a bit more effort in regards to the lyrics. Because you have the punchline, but I feel like the rest of the song not start yet. Come in, know you have phone, like, you know, Vice Cartel is listening about phone. You don't have a phone, him explain why man should have a phone.
Yeah.
Every girl want a man to have a phone. You know, so if you're coming with a song that is, you know, catchy, you have to have something to explain why you need this phone. You know, so for me, I need you to put in more effort, and I am going to give you a 3. So hit me feet. What's that 3 this time around?
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you for that, Kish. Kish Las Vegas. Yeah, I mean, Courtney, Counselor Courtney Edwards.
G, when they start off,
what you say about the phone?
It was a bit rocky, but I mean, you're caught up, you know, and we get the whole phone. I start to show me 2 phones because I said, me not the phone thing, you know. But, I mean, it could have been better delivered, you know, with some more preparation. So I'm going to give you a 5.
All right. Hey, big up yourself, Counselor Courtney Edwards. You know what I mean? Lady Tash. Don't move, my boss. Don't move. I get the scores, them, you know.
I see the effort. I see the hungriness in your eyes. Mrs. C, I really want this. So I give the eye 8. But the fees, you're going to stop at just selling now. You think I can see on this floor.
Yeah,
all right, General. Don't move, my boss. Don't move.
Liquor Lantern, manners and respect. You know, you're far from far to be a part of the competition. You see me I deal with. In the starting off of the performance, when you start draw for the phone and say show your phone from a digital phone and show your phone from a, you know, a crowd interaction that right they say is like you grab you, you see me? But then the verse them start show away off. You see me I deal with? Show away off and the trouble, and you use trouble numerous amount of times with the phone same time, so it kinda show away off. So for me, I would give a 4, you see me?
Alright, thank you for all the judges right now. You don't know. Big up yourself, Little Lantern. You don't know. Make sure we see you in the next round. You get what I say? So no, just keep them. Just keep on voting and keep the artists them in the competition right now. Next artist to center stage right now, Marcus Prince. Marcus Prince inside the building. Are you this? Where you go? Your chance and palm to them. I not even realize you stand up right there, so. But introduce yourself, my brother, to the world. You know what I mean?
Back and forth, yeah.
Yeah, man, blessings. I don't know any Marquis. To them I come for do a song. Some of my friends' friend passed on a couple days ago, so I just come to sing this song for him, and I also had a friend that passed on. So R.I.P. Bulgin, R.I.P. Jungle. Yeah. If you ever have a friend with pass on, just put your name in the ear. That one you have to them, Zin. Yeah. Rain fall when cloud can't take weight, so we cry when we heart can't take pain. Enough things go on when we can't explain, but me still a go on hold faith and I maintain. We say we alright all when we not alright. Set time one put a bullet hole through we head space. Just a smile do a life outside way. I ain't no lockdown so we can't complain. If you not like me I say this one time. Bad mind, them want me stop but me not stop shine. That's why me not too like mankind. No photocopy a brother, we are the realest, we genuine. Grow rough like leather skin. We lock down the place like when they set up in. Big up the girl them brown skin, black melanin. No for them soft and a smile it off. It's a fighting hard to design the craft. There's a time for cry and a time for laugh. Watch the eye, them a watch man. Them only come for them your food like Pac-Man. Them no real. Watch them. Done.
Wait a 2 minutes.
I think he has to continue.
DJ, focus. Alright, so you can go again, my boss. 2 minutes. Go on again.
Rainfall when cloud can't take weight, so we cry when we heart can't take pain. Enough things go on what me can't explain, but me still a go on hold faith and I maintain. We say we alright all when we not alright. Set time one put a bullet hole through we head space. Just a smile do a life outside way. I ain't no lockdown so we can't complain. If you not like me I say this one time. Bad mind, them want me stop, but me not stop shine. That's why me not too like mankind. No photocopy a brother, we are the realest, we genuine. Grow rough like leather skin. We lock down the place like when I set up in. Big up the girl them brown skin, black melanin. No for them soft and a smile it off. Is a fighting heart we design the craft. There's a time for cry and a time for laugh. Watch the eye, them a watch man. Them only come for yam your food like Pac-Man. Them no real, watch them action. Real no real, yo senti Hampton. Them a sack me a cheer, so me know them can't go pull me back. Before them try to pull me back, me rather pull them up a shot. The tricks me got, no magic man can't pull it out hard. What a surprise, them get them good, they get a heart attack. Give them a face, them know me not nice. Tread up on my mind, my life, me roll dice. Anytime you make the cheese, watch the mice. Dirty bad mind, go try find your size. Young lad, stay firm, your time soon come, you better wait that turn. Couldn't do this in a school, pan streets, man learn. Do this in a school, pan streets, man learn. Enough scar there, enough we couldn't heal. I know by your son, me I tell us how we keep it real. Enough be enough fight, but to your side. Just I live my life, for more I live my life. So stop trying to hold it down.
Mark Chris, so you mean we just a live for life, we just a live for life. 100% talent, Jamaican. Hey, may I tell you, big up yourself. Bad artist, you know, Ara General. What you say about the artist?
No, you see the
artist, performance.
The song, powerful like the ark when now are full. I wonder if your overs we may deal with. But here we go on now. The shyness I take over, your overs. You see me I deal with the eye just. I don't know if the eye want to use the stand and just sing like a singer, but the eye just now move. You see me I deal with I just a whole of composure. So everything else, alright, the song good. But me feel like it could deliver better with more feeling, more emotion. You see me I do this out and draw with more in tune. You see me I do this, so for me give you a 5, my God.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara General. Alright, Counselor Edwards. Oh, Tash. Alright, Lady Tash.
I like your energy. I'm actually seeing the passion in your eyes. But what I didn't like though is the violent part. You have to take that out, you understand? Because as Nero rightfully said last week, you only have this moment to shine. You understand? So you have to be careful of your lyrics. So if all of the lyrics good and you have the part that in there, it can be bad for you. But it's good. I give you a 7.
Okay, good point.
Alright, I am happy that you had to start over. Right, because initially you were totally you had a key issue initially, right? And I was trying to feel where you were on the song and the beat at the same time. So I'm happy you had to start over. So I wrote down between 5 and 7, right? Initially when it started. So I know somebody for you would have passed away. So I felt that in the song, that remorse feeling in the song. That's how you delivered it just now. You know?
Yeah.
So maybe that personal relationship with the person. So that came out in the middle just now. So I can't knock you for that, right? So I'm gonna give you a 7.
Alright, thank you for that, Counselor Lady.
Right. Okay, for me, I've heard you sing in the past, and I really like your vibe. Normally you come across, you know, with the energy that's necessary for that song. But this time I think you're just emotional, and the person actually was very close to you. Yeah. So that I see, and I think because of that fact, you probably were not able to project it the song the best for today. But for your effort, I'll give you a 5. All right?
That's true. Thank you for that,
Nero.
Fisher, Las Vegas.
Alright, I'm tell you now what I go on now with me now. Me I go be Anthony Miller with everybody who me know can do better and don't do better. Now, after all my years of working on the broadcasting station, I understand guidelines, especially when cameras are on you. You understand? It was a 9 for me. But the mere fact that he used that context of rifle buying him and all them thing there, yeah, it just thrown back to a 7. You know what I mean? And I don't want anybody to take these judgments as we putting you guys down, because it's a different thing when I put out a song and the whole of social media have something bad to say about it. So these things supposed to build up and thing. And congrats with the song, bro. The song solid.
Yeah.
It's solid, so you're going to work in the next competition again. You understand? Big up.
Marcus Prince, big up. Oh, you mean? Big up. A nice song for real. You know what I mean? Oh, you mean? Of course, the show off go on. See him here. 100% talent is doing good right now. You know what I mean? is after the show we giving away the $25,000 to the highest vote. After the show, right? Alright, so we'll move straight on to the next artist right now. Raspek 1. Where Rasta there? Raspek 1. Make your way to center stage right now. Raspek 1. 100% talent Jamaican. Hey, me I tell you, like him prepare for that one. I wonder where I bring to the table that week, yeah. Where I bring to the table this week. This artist go by the name of What kind of stylist? Forward there, say boss. What you going with? It's a hard working man, this. Alright, let me see what you bring to the table right now. 100% talent Jamaican.
Yeah, man, I respect one, you know. DJ Smoke, fire it up right away. Yo, me I work for mine. Yo, me I work for mine. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Respect one. Give thanks and praise. Yo, me I work for mine. Out in the street, me I search. Me I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras all chicken on the side, me will jerk. Yo, me I work for mine. Out in the street, me I search. Me I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras all chicken on the side, me will jerk. That's why me in the street like the white line. Work every day and every night time. Did I wait patient if you did to worry it up, me kick it down now. I make it my time, God bless the eye. On this journey me on, so me have to stand firm in a this Gideon. No, me can't lazy, you crazy. Have to make A and tour me belong. Yo, me a work for mine. Out in the street, me a search. Me a go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras all chicken pan the side, me will jerk. Yo, me a work for mine. Out in the street, me a search. Me a go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras all chicken pan the side, me will jerk. Yo, me want rich because me born poor. Now my time fi kick off the door. Now fi worry where the next meal a come from. Every day the youths them dinner is sure. Now no time for distress and no drama. Hard working youths now go legs pan the corner. So let's drink for all the hard working people, them from the hairdresser to the farmer. Yo, me a bash.
Hey, the man say my work for free body now. When they say, boy, when they say, when I work for food the one, and him say my work for mine. Yeah. Big up yourself, Prospect 1. What you mean? Wake up the show, but before I want them, boss. Away him gone. Are you so excited? Alright, we can move to the first judge right now. Nero, turn down the beat.
Alright,
DJ
so
Smoke. Yeah.
For me, you were just about this close to the 9. You get an 8. Because you try to sing like you're still there in the studio. You understand? Just project your voice. The fact that you came out in your costume, you work the stage, it's an 8 for me.
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Yes, just run through the show fast. Christian Las Vegas.
For me, it was a 7 because I like the content of what he was saying, which is people still in Jamaica want to work for their own. They want to make sure when they put on the effort, something come back in. So they might do what's necessary. Liked it, I give you a 7.
Alright, quick and fast, Counselor.
I gave him a 6, right? But it's complementing what he's saying and what he's showing.
Yes.
But beside that, the lyrics have been a bit better, a bit more upbeat. The beat itself was up, but the vocals were a bit on the low end. But you know, good effort.
Alright, Lady Tash.
It was a message from Ras. The projection, I wasn't feeling it. And the eye contact, I was looking at you, you know, but you didn't look at me. You understand? But it's a 7 for me. The projection.
Alright, thank you for that, Lady Tash. Our General, what you say?
Yeah,
work
so
for
far, your overs are they but I work here forward from? I competition here forward, though. God, are the best image. You see that image alone, you step out on the show, on any stage, everybody have to say, but we hear what the Ara go say, your overs we may deal with. And you sing a positive song, but here we go on, really and truly, I don't know the voice, more time not hear so clear. You see me, it's like me I strain my ears. You see me I deal, I don't know if you go too deep or you just free up your vocal as well. Nero says like you're still in the studio, you see me? But otherwise, song bad, image, 100 you get for image for me, you see me? But overall performance, me give a 7 to likewise. You see me?
Alright, thank you for that one. Alright, General, I mean, Respect One, remember to keep the votes coming in whenever you see all contestants out there in the street. Hey, support all the artists there because I tell you, we are work for mine right now.